Today we're at St. Petersburg. The metro system is one of the deepest in the world.
Now we're at the Admiralty metro station, which is the deepest metro station in Russia. It is 86 meters deep, which is about as tall as a 26-story building. During World War II, it was used as a shelter from bombing. And now let's see how long it takes to go down. Wow, it took 3 minutes and 18 seconds to go down 86 meters. Surprise! We can't even see the metro yet. We're not even done with all the escalators. Wow! Now we're at the platform where the metros are. Wow, that took 47 extra seconds. That brings up the total to 4 minutes and 5 seconds to come down. And that's not even add the walking to the escalators.
Finally at the platform, now the train is coming to our direction.